Welcome back, aviation enthusiasts. In today's episode, we delve into the latest developments surrounding Boeing's request for Ryanair's oversight following the recent Alaska Airlines incident. Stay tuned as we explore the implications, Ryanair's response, and the broader context of Boeing's quality control challenges. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our aviation community. Let's soar into the details. Last week, an unused door fell off a Boeing 737 MAX 9 operated by Alaska Airlines, sparking concerns about Boeing's quality control. This incident has now prompted Boeing to seek extra oversight, and they're turning to one of their major customers, Ryanair. Ryanair, a significant player in Boeing's customer lineup, has been asked to send additional engineers to monitor quality checks on the ground. Despite not operating the 737 MAX 9, Ryanair's CEO, Michael O'Leary, expressed both confidence and reservations about Boeing's quality control processes. Boeing, in an effort to address these concerns, has announced the introduction of an external party to assess its production practices. This move aims to restore confidence in Boeing's manufacturing processes. But the big question remains: will these measures be sufficient? Michael O'Leary from Ryanair shared his insights, acknowledging improvements in Boeing's quality, but expressing the need for more. He likened the relationship to a marriage, suggesting that occasional criticism doesn't diminish the overall positive sentiment. However, the incident has raised questions about Boeing's management, prompting calls for improvements. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, has extended the grounding of 737 MAX planes with similar fuselage panels. The scrutiny on Boeing's production practices intensifies, with an audit planned for the plane's production line. We explore the broader implications for the aviation industry and what this means for Boeing's future. As the aviation industry navigates these challenges, we'll be here to keep you informed. What are your thoughts on Boeing's latest developments? Share them in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, fly high and fly safe. Thank you for joining us on Airlines Quest. Don't forget to subscribe for more aviation updates. Safe travels!